Assalamu alaikum grade 6. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. We are studying our unit number 5, Sights and Sounds. Today we are going to study our last chapter, chapter number 6. Chapter number 7 is not included in our syllabus. Open your books at page 112. The name of our chapter is The Odyssey by Homer. Friends, Homer is a great Italian poet in the history of English literature, and this chapter is an extract from the most important masterpiece of Homer, the Odyssey. In this chapter, Homer discusses the interesting adventure by his hero Odysseus. So let's study the summary of this chapter, as a proper book reading will be given in online lecture. The Odyssey summary. This story has been taken from Homer's masterpiece The Odyssey, which consists of the wonderful adventures of Odysseus. In the given extract, an interesting adventure of Odysseus has been told. On his way of returning from the Trojan War, Odysseus was warned of the danger of the music of the sirens. Odysseus tackles this danger in a great way. Thus he saves himself and his companions from the dangers of this music. Now come to the words meanings of this chapter. Number 1, lure, to tempt. Number 2, beeswax, a yellow to brown wax. Number 3, spell, it means charm or magic. Number 4, steer, to sail. Number 5, faded, dim. Number 6, to cast a spell on, to enchant. Now open your books at page 114. We are going to solve reading for understanding. Open your notebooks and start to write. Reading for understanding. Question number 1. What did the goddess Circe warn Odysseus about? Answer. The goddess warned him about the luring music of the sirens. Question 2. What did Odysseus do with the large piece of beeswax? Why did he do this? Answer. He softened the beeswax and then filled it in the ears of his men in order to save them from the spell of the music of the sirens. Question 3. How can you tell that Odysseus was not sure whether he was strong enough to resist the sirens' music? Answer. His act of getting himself tied with rope to the ship's mast tells this. Question 4. What happened when Odysseus heard the music? Answer. He tried to break free from his ropes. Question 5. Who were the victors and who were the losers in this story? Answer. Odysseus and his men were the victors, whereas the sirens were the losers in this story. Students, now open your books at page 114. We are going to solve exercise writing task. Match the words from the text on the left to their definitions on the right. Number 1, warm, advice of danger. Calm, smooth. Mast, vertical spot for sails. Deaf, unable to hear. Longing, strong desire. Fade, become, less. Come to page 115. Fill in the gaps in the following sentences as appropriate with who, whom and whose. Number 1, the young man about whom I spoke to you yesterday came into the room. Number 2, Maria looked after the little girl whose mother was in hospital. Number 3, Jose told the secret to a friend whom he trusted. Number 4, the boy who is the cleverest in the class came top in the examination. Number 5, the teacher was angry with the student whose homework was the work in the class. Number 6, the manager to whom I spoke yesterday was not helpful. Students, the relative pronouns who, whom and whose are used for people, whereas the relative pronouns which and that are used with things, which is used in written English and that is used in spoken English. So here is an exercise. Below are some relative clauses introduced by which and that. These are clauses which fell in the river. You will complete these clauses and turn them into proper sentences. Write your own sentences using each of these relative clauses as I have done an example for you. I had a ring which fell in the river. Likewise, you will complete all these sentences. This is your homework. Allah Hafiz.